So just recapping, these are the 5 tactics we went through. Right, there was recognition and appreciation, simplified check-ins, do some image sharing to build that habit of participation, the equitable voice videos, and professional and inclusive language. And they all align to that framework of communication, engagement, and positivity. Quick couple of slides just talking about our company. Our company is called ReTeam, and our mission is to engage, empower, and thrive. We have a platform, and we talk about engagement, innovation, and wellness. So some of the tools that you saw today, they're built into our platform too in different ways, and among other things. But our mission is to improve team participation, is to build better engagement. We started off as a remote-first company, and we are in 6 different countries, and a lot of remote work that happens here. But what we found is you don't have to be remote to take advantage of what we're doing. And some of our key pillars: improve participation, equitable voice. We talk about whole team engagement. We've got a whole module on meeting reduction and management, and then of course individual and team wellness. And some survey results that we've seen. So someone asked about the results here. Within 8 weeks, you can see measurable results. You'll see communication, innovation, right? Sharing new ideas, inclusiveness, knowing my team, sense of belonging. When we did this first time, we got these results. This was only doing 3 things: check-ins, recognition, and then we started with slideshows, right, in that 8 weeks. So the results happened very quickly. And I have to throw this out there. If you schedule a demo with us, we've built these t-shirts. We do believe we are better together, and we'll send you some free gifts. And then that's our company. Thank you.